Welcome to NotAsLazy Quizzes. Our quiz today is in the subject of human anatomy. There are 30 questions to test your knowledge. Let's play. Which bone is known as the collarbone? Clavicle. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? O negative. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of the heart? Cardiac muscle. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. What type of joint is found in the shoulder? Ball and socket. What is the basic functional unit of the kidney? Nephron. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Arteries. Which hormone is produced by the adrenal glands? Adrenaline. Which bone is known as the kneecap? Patella. What structure connects muscles to bones? Tendon. Which gland produces insulin? Pancreas. What is the main function of red blood cells? Transport oxygen. Which muscle is primarily responsible for breathing? Diaphragm. What type of cells are responsible for color vision? Cone cells. Where is the femoral artery located? Leg. Which part of the digestive system absorbs most nutrients? Small intestine. What is the main function of the large intestine? Absorb water. Which part of the brain regulates vital functions like heartbeat? Medulla oblongata. What type of blood cells are involved in clotting? Platelets. Which organ filters waste from the blood to form urine? Kidneys. What is the anatomical term for the voice box? Larynx. Which structure in the ear is responsible for hearing? Cochlea. What is the main function of the liver? Filter blood. Which organelle is known as the control center of the cell? Nucleus. Which part of the skeleton protects the brain? Skull. Which type of joint is found in the elbow? Hinge. Which part of the respiratory system is the site of gas exchange? Alveoli. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin. What is the main function of white blood cells? Fight infection. Which part of the brain is involved in memory formation? Hippocampus. Thanks for playing with us. Please subscribe for more interesting quizzes